This year the Queen Quet coming to Hunter from beautiful Beaufort by the sea. Hunter children, we don't start this year celebration in the Gullah Geechee Nation. This year the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. So glad if you did right your home and things like that. And plenty of Hunter children, no idea from right across this your creek, yo, and another is a bridge right on and another creek, right? And that Hunter with a fine week. But this year week, I done run into plenty of people that see me say they see me on TV all the time and things like that. They say, glad if you see me in person. If you really want to see me in person, you'll come out to these your celebrations in the Gullah Geechee Nation. So now look, your Hunter children, we glad for be right here where Hunter usually see me during the Gullah Fest, right here upon the waterfront park. Cause what greater place for me to come for show Hunter this year from me, Kaiserland and things like that. You know, every year, city of Beaufort and things like that, celebrate with we this year, Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. So I want you to get this year proclamation for the Gullah Geechee Nation. And it reads, proclamation, whereas Beaufort County, South Carolina is one of the oldest counties in South Carolina. And whereas at its founding, Africans were brought into what became established as the city of Beaufort on the island of Port Royal. And whereas these African people continued to have their occupancy on the islands in the Port Royal region, which had already been occupied by indigenous people, for which many of the sea islands have been named, and whereas the islands of Beaufort County include Port Royal, St. Helena, Ladies Island, Datar, Palawana, Hilton Head, Coosaw, Wausau, Hunting Island, and several others. And whereas these African people came to be known as Gullah Geechee, and whereas Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, who is the visionary for the celebration that happens on St. Helena Island in Beaufort County, South Carolina, and whereas the city of Beaufort has continued to recognize the legacy of Gullah Geechees as part of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week for the past 3 years, and whereas we support the series of activities taking place throughout the Gullah Geechee Nation that exemplify the self-determination of Gullah Geechee people, and whereas we join in the theme for this year for the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, a celebration of self-determination. Now, therefore, the City Council of the City of Beaufort, South Carolina, hereby proclaims July 30th through August 7th, 2016 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and it is witnessed and signed by the clerk and the mayor, Mayor Billy Kaiserling of the city of Beaufort. As we say, beautiful Beaufort by the sea. Hunter children, if Hunter want to come here for shout with me, Hunter children know who this shall be. This shall the Queen Quet. Follow we all week at Gullah Geechee on Twitter, at Gullah Geechee on Instagram, and read of us all the time on GullahGeecheeNation.com. Then Hunter can get it who we to be during this year's celebration of self-determination. Thank you, Mayor Kaiserland. Thank you, Beaufort Town Council and things like that. We glad that Hunter children coming for shout with me and things like that. And children, make sure you take a lee stroll right on by the creek show. That's what I about to do. So glad that Hunter children tuning right on in too. Peace and blessing, everybody.